Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, Naturally Sade. In this video, I am going to show you how I went from this right here, nothing too crazy, not bad, to this. Super quick, super easy, and this is my go-to look when I'm literally in a rush and I do not have the time, honey, but I need to look somewhat put together, look like I made an effort, and look like I care. If you're interested to see how I achieve this quick 10-minute look, then keep on watching. And so I'm gonna go ahead and set my timer for 10 minutes. First thing I'm gonna go into is my foundation. I'm not even gonna put any primer on. And usually for every day, I'm just like doing one pump. Like I'm going for like more of like a natural kind of look. And as you can see, it's like very minimal coverage, which is like, I'm okay with that. Next, I'm gonna go in with some concealer real quick. And yes, I do still like to use concealer on like a quick day. Definitely gotta conceal that because I got a little zit there, you feel me? Blend it out super quick. I find that using a sponge is so much easier than a brush, especially when you're trying to be quick. Does anybody else make that face like, I'm trying to blend out that concealer? Next, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this like bronzing stick and boom, like really quick. A little bit on the nose. I am going in with my dip brow, and I really don't focus too much on getting like crazy. Like I just want to fill in, and if you can tell, like I shaved off the tail ends of my brows because I was experimenting, and I will not be doing that again. Okay, brows done, and I have 2.5 minutes left. Honestly, that's like the longest, especially if I'm trying to do something quick, like that's gonna take me the longest. I'm gonna put a little bit of highlighter and blush. So go in with my highlighter. Okay, a minute and a half. I'm just gonna spray real quick. Get some gloss on. And real quick, put some mascara on, just the top lashes, even though I have lash extensions, just to kind of darken them up just a little bit. Nothing crazy. And I just do the top lashes. I don't really care about the bottom. For everyday looks, at least. And under 10 minutes. Let's see. Boom. Yeah, that's my quick 10-minute look. As you can see, it's very basic. I'm not even powdering because I don't know, lately I've been feeling more of the I don't like to bake kind of look, but if I'm like going out at night, I would probably bake so it can last a little bit longer. But since it's during the day, I just don't feel the need, and it also looks a lot more natural, like more skin-like finish, I feel. Let me know what you think about this look. Is it something that you've tried or would try or are going to try? If you enjoyed watching this tutorial and want to see more like it, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. And while you're there, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you want to see more from me. And of course, as always, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.